In this video, we will talk to you about the best AI for creating Roblox games, so let us get to it. If you are a Roblox lover and want to create your own game, you must already have Roblox Studio configured on your computer. You must also have logged into your account so that you can create your own game. For this experiment, we are going to test two very popular artificial intelligences, one specialized in programming and the other very popular and commonly used. We have selected these two mainly for being among the most popular and accessible to most people. The first one is Claude, which has a gigantic database specialized in programming in many languages, and the second is ChatGPT, which we chose for its great popularity and enormous database. So we are going to compare the results of each of these two artificial intelligences for creating a simple game in Roblox. The first thing we have to do is open our Roblox Studio, then click on File and create a new base. Once we are here, with our platform ready, we will go to the juke.ai website where we can use up to two artificial intelligences at the same time very smoothly. I have told each of these to generate the Luau code to create an automatic maze game in Roblox. The first one we are going to test is ChatGPT. To do this, we are going to copy all the code that ChatGPT has given us. Having asked it to generate all the obstacles, the entrance, and the exit for a simple maze game. So we go to the server script section, create a new script, delete everything in the console, and paste the code exactly as ChatGPT generated it. We then test our game. In this case, our character appears with a somewhat complex block of mazes. However, the first thing I notice is that the entrance is completely blocked. I cannot access this entrance through the wall, so I will have to cheat a little and move the camera up to see where the exit of this maze is. We are going to run until we completely surround the maze, and the exit is supposed to be this red button here. I have won the maze, but unfortunately, the entrance is completely blocked. Nevertheless, if we explore our maze, we can see that the wall blocks are made correctly and that it is quite a complex maze. The walls and distribution are very well designed, yet the entrance to the maze is blocked. Here we are approaching the entrance. Well, unfortunately, the entrance is blocked, which is why we could not walk through the entire maze. However, we can correct this by asking the AI again. Now, we are going to test the code generated by Claude to see how it works. We are going to copy the code generated by Claude 4.5, go back to Roblox Studio, and create a new plaza. We go to the section, create the new script, delete what is there, and paste the code without making any modifications. We click the play button to see what it has generated. In this case, a much smaller maze is generated. Even the entrance is blocked here too, and we cannot pass. But if we jump over the block, we can reach the entrance. Apparently, this error appeared in both AI results. We are going to look for the exit of this maze, but I find it a bit curious that we can jump over the blocks until we find the exit. As we can see, the exit of the maze is outside of it. The exit is not connected to the entrance. This is a serious error. It does not work. And in this case, neither of the two games was functional due to the entrance and exit problem. We are going to make a small modification to the script and see which of the two artificial intelligences gives us a better solution. Okay, we now have both complete codes. In this case, we are going to start by using Claude's code and test it within Roblox Studio to see how it works. Here we have the corrected code. Let us test it. In this case, we again have our character outside the maze. If we jump on the entrance button, let us see what happens. A door does not open, nothing happens. We will have to jump inside the maze and look for the exit. There is also a detail in the maze that allows us to move the camera up and easily see where the exit is. We will also have to correct this with the help of the AI. We have reached what is supposed to be the maze exit, and there we can see the red exit button, but the generated code does not allow us to access the exit unless we jump over the wall. In this case, we have completed the maze, but we had to go outside of it, so this game is not functional. Now, we are going to test the code generated by ChatGPT. We have pasted it exactly as it was and clicked on test. In this case, our character is on the outside of the maze. We see there is a start button, and in this case, the maze door is indeed open. So we can now access the maze normally. We are going to do the walkthrough trying to find the exit, and in this case, we have reached the exit of the maze without major issues. However, the exit button is not activated. We have completed the maze, and yet there is no indication that the game has ended. Nevertheless, this maze worked much better since it allowed us to access it without any problem. As you can see, neither AI is totally perfect. However, this small test indicates that Chat GPT's responses are a bit better than Claude's responses. Even though Claude is a specialist in programming, so I think with ChatGPT we can have a very good experience and develop a game by having a lot of patience, using good prompts, and performing many tests. So based on the results we obtained in this small and very basic test, ChatGPT turns out to be the winning AI for creating Roblox games automatically through scripts. Neither AI will generate a 100% perfect game, but I think it is a very good starting point and support for us to create a good experience in Roblox. You can leave us a comment about what you thought of this small experiment, and if you have a specific prompt you want us to test for a Roblox game, you can also leave it in the welcome comments, and we will gladly make a new video testing each one of them. And that is as far as our video goes this time. We hope it was useful for you. If it was, give us a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any of the upcoming videos we will bring for you. Until next time.